and that's a fact.
This is factoid.
Oh fuck, I need to ready up. Okay, low key, you might have to remind me how to play. How do you run? Okay, okay.
I have mine set to KP.
You press down on the joystick. Oh.
You need control. Are you really playing? Dude, that's gotta be terrible. What exactly happens in monsoon difficulty?
It's just more harder enemies. The raises higher.
Is there more wandering vagrants?
No.
Things are more expensive.
Yeah, you get more gold though. You get more gold.
Yeah, this teddy bear is $44.
Damn, y'all getting all the motherfucking mobs.
Why am I not playing multi? That's where I messed up. Oh shit, you're playing a samurai? You mad, man?
Yes, sir.
Oh, we still need to get that gold thing. Remember that gold boss we died to? You need 89 for this, you fool. What about this one?
You're a boof toad.
Oh, are you gonna open that one too?
I'd prefer
I want it.
I want it.
I just want it. I have one item.
I mean, I have fucking. What do you have?
I just have a teddy bear. That's it.
Dude, that's better. I have armor piercing rounds.
Yeah, that's better.
Alright. Roll for it.
You're really about to get enough money for it, aren't you? Actually, I just did, you fool. Hey, chill, it's a green.
Oh, I got it. Oh, I was about to.
That's my favorite item.
You was about to spaz out.
I was about to alt F4. No cap. Oh, what are they for?
There's two combat shrines up there. If you guys want to help take these.
On monsoon?
It's not that hard.
You must be joking.
The difficulty doesn't really change. The difficulty just changes quicker. So we're on easy, and then it'll go to hard.
Oh my god! Help!
You get the vibe.
Help! Help!
Oh, I'm
Help! Oh my god! I thought that was for the boss.
What? No, these combat shrines just get destroyed.
I forgot. They pieced me up.
Oh,
dude! Oh my god!
I won't lie with you. I'm gonna have to keep the stack.
Oh my god! Help!
Where you at, G?
Ooh, now I got the, I picked up a very bad item, and I'm gonna pay for it.
Oh, you got glass?
Yep, I have, like, no health now. This is over.
No, you got it. You're playing,
Commando?
You're a commando. You
can Huntress, that would be sick.
Distance. Alright, let's just go ahead and take this boss off. I said turrets.
Ooh, slim pickings. I'm over here, so I'll make sure I don't die. Staying safe. Oh, we're piecing her up.
I shaped glass.
This is actually true. I had some armor piercing rounds. Oh. Dang, she's actually shooting stuff my way too. I got punched! I got punched in my back!
Oh, my back!
Right click does so much damage. Oh, cool, you got me.
Okay, she's wiped. We each got a U. Topaz.
It's like the one in the Risk of Rain 1. But I'm getting pieced up! I'm getting pieced up!
I just got.
Oh, I prayed to a shrine of combat.
That's not very nice. Oh, I did find the teleporter though. Vincent! Where you at? Oh. Okay, kill those elitists. Oh my god.
Wisp installation.
Oh, there's a new map.
He's got the damn Blitzy. He's going wild on that motherfucker.
Okay, I'm frozen. Okay.
Holy fuck.
I'm on his ass.
Oh god.
Dang, Vince actually lived. Oh my god! It hit me twice? Really?
What's the frustration?
Help me.
Where you at? Oh, you are not near me.
Alright, I guess I'm just gonna have to clutch it then. like I always do.
All the blue ones.
Yeah, there's like so many enemies. Why is this beetle guard always on my ass? Okay, I'm stuck on the side of the map, actually. I'm stuck on the side of the map. Okay, I like fell off the map. I'm stuck. It's over.
Okay, I think you're gonna have to jump.
I'm gonna wait for y'all to clear the enemies so I just don't die. Oh, okay.
I think you just.
Oh, you don't take fall damage from falling anymore? That's so nice.
Okay, where is this teleporter at? Like, seriously, like, what's the frustration?
Jump for it. No balls. Okay. Almost died for
yeah,
that.
I like how you swiftly turned right back.
Playing Huncho.
Huncho Joe.
Oh, there. Okay.
You know, I'm about to start tweaking on the attack.
Okay.
So.
Stop!
He's getting juiced over there.
Dude, damn imps! There's 4 of them! 2! Oh my god! What is happening?
You're fine.
Don't take my armor piercing rounds, you fucking whore! You took my...
I didn't mean to grab it! I'll buy you a shrine, There
Yeah.
you go, you got a knife. There you go,
Fucking buckler?
Yo, we gotta find this girl.
Yeah, we kind of been here for 3 days, not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's actually getting
I'm
scary.
gonna trust Vince is looking in the right place. Oh my god, there's just more imps.
Alright, we need to scour this whole.
Oh, I found it!
I found
Woo!
it. That's crazy. I found it first.
Well, they're coming out of the ground.
What is this?
What is that? Rover? There's... it's kind of thick stuff. I'm good. They're healing somehow. You see that, right? They're healing them. It's fucking funny! Revive!
Oh, I forgot I have a second life.
Okay. Alright.
That was fun. I enjoyed that.
That's a good 30 minutes of footage. I don't really have to tweak over.
Oh, jeez.
Okay.